Most people think you need a certification before you can start proofreading. But honestly, the fastest way to improve is just practicing on real text consistently. And the good news is, you can start for free today. Here are 5 simple ways to practice proofreading, even if you're a complete beginner. First, use free blog articles online. Open any article on the internet and start looking for grammar mistakes, awkward sentences, punctuation errors, or words that sound repetitive. You'd be surprised how many mistakes you'll start noticing once you train your eyes. A great place to practice is small blogs, Medium articles, or even Reddit posts. Second, use Grammarly in reverse. Most people use Grammarly to fix mistakes. Instead, try finding the mistakes yourself before turning Grammarly on. This trains your brain instead of relying on software. Third, practice with AI-generated text. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short article with intentional grammar mistakes. Then, try correcting everything yourself. This is actually one of the fastest ways to simulate real proofreading work. Fourth, compare edited versus unedited writing. Take an old draft of an article and compare it to the final published version. Pay attention to sentence structure, punctuation, clarity, and word choice. This helps you understand what professional editing actually looks like. And fifth, read your text out loud. This sounds simple, but it works incredibly well. When you hear a sentence, instead of just reading it silently, awkward wording becomes much easier to spot. Now, if you want a more structured way to learn proofreading step by step, including how people turn it into an online income skill, there's a free beginner workshop linked in the description that explains the whole process in detail. Anyway, the biggest mistake beginners make is waiting until they feel ready. You improve by practicing consistently, even if you're bad at first. That's how every proofreader starts. If this video helped, subscribe for more proofreading tips, and I'll see you in the next one.